Breaking news coming in on the hostage crisis case in Bombay. Police have recovered several suspicious items from the studio where children were held hostage in Powai. Air guns, petrol, flammable rubber solution and lighters were recovered from the scene. In this case, the Powai police have registered a case against the deceased accused Rohit Arya under sections 109(1), 140 and 287 of the Indian Penal Code. And further investigation into the incident has now been handed over to the crime branch, while the recovered items have been sent for forensic examination. Remember, this case had shocked the country just yesterday as the hostage horror had unfolded. Children had been held hostage by this kidnapper, who also opened fire at the police before being shot dead. Rohit Arya, remember, had held 17 children hostage in a studio in Powai. The commandos had entered through a bathroom to rescue these children. And here is how the events that shook the entire city unfolded. I beg your pardon. Police have recovered several suspicious items from the studio where these children were held hostage in Powai. Air guns, petrol, flammable rubber solution and lighters were recovered from this scene. These are big recoveries in this Mumbai hostage case where just yesterday 17 children were held hostage by this man before he was finally shot by the Mumbai police. The commandos had to enter the studio. He in fact had made certain statements, he had made certain demands. And now these recoveries show that this was not something that just happened. This seems to be premeditated. Vidya is joining me live on this story. Vidya, this kind of recoveries seem to indicate that this man did what he did in a completely premeditated manner. These are not small things. This very clearly shows he had something in mind. Vidya.
In fact, he certainly seemed to have prepared this entire thing, because if you remember, even in the video that he had mentioned that, he would, if anything really goes wrong, if the police try to rescue any of the kids or those hostages, he had warned that this entire place would go up in flames. As he said, it clearly seemed like he was not just giving out a blank threat, but he had been prepared. Remember, there were sensors across, is what we have gotten to know, that he had put sensors across the entry and exit points in that particular location. Apart from that, of course, the chemicals and everything that had been laid out there, it did seem like it wasn't a well-prepared, much thought-over hostage plan that he had, undertaken on that particular day, which is yesterday.
All right, thank you very much for that, Vidya. This is a very, very serious but developing story. Remember, Rohit Arya had held 17 children hostage in a studio in Powai, and India Today brings you a look at how exactly these events unfolded. Take a look.
"17 children, all safe tonight." But for almost an hour, Mumbai lived through a nightmare straight out of a Bollywood movie. On Thursday afternoon, the city watched in disbelief as a man held school children hostage inside a studio. The man behind the horror, Rohit Arya, is now dead. Arya allegedly opened fire at the police during the rescue operation. They returned fire. Arya was hit, rushed to hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries.
मैं रोहित आर्या, सुसाइड करने की जगह मैंने एक प्लान बनाया और कुछ बच्चों को इधर हॉस्टेज रखा है.
Arya had released a video before the police moved in to rescue the children. Proclaiming himself not a terrorist, Arya claimed he had moral and ethical demands and wanted answers, not money.
मेरे को ज़्यादा डिमांड्स नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल डिमांड्स है, बहुत मॉरल डिमांड्स है, बहुत एथिकल डिमांड्स है, और मेरे कुछ सवाल है. मुझे कुछ लोगों से बात करनी है, उनको सवाल पूछने हैं, उनके जवाब पर अगर मुझे काउंटर क्वेश्चन है तो मुझे काउंटर क्वेश्चन पूछना है। ना मैं टेररिस्ट हूँ, ना मेरी बहुत बड़ी पैसों की डिमांड है, कुछ भी पैसों की डिमांड तो है ही नहीं, इमोरल तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है।
Sources tell India Today that Arya ran a YouTube channel and had called children to the studio for what he claimed was a web series audition. According to eyewitnesses, all the children were from outside Mumbai brought in for the audition.
ये खुद ऑडिशन करता था, ऑडिशन के लिए बुलाता था, बस इतना ही मालूम है। बाकी इसका क्या डिमांड था वो पुलिस को मालूम, लेकिन इतने कम समय में पुलिस ने आके बहुत अच्छा काम किया है।
पुलिस वाले ने हम लोग को अंदर नहीं जाने दिया। पुलिस वाले ने अपना काम किया और उनको बाहर लिया। पहले जो आर्या करके आदमी है ना, उनको बाहर लिया।
A city shaken but thankful that every child came home safe. Bureau Report, India Today.